Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. If you're into tech tips, smart gadgets, and easy to follow tutorials, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple process of setting up your TP-Link RE505X Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. It's the quickest and most hassle-free way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. Let's begin. Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link RE505X. Inside the box, you'll find the RE505X range extender, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. The extender features a sleek design with two adjustable antennas and an Ethernet port. Begin by plugging your TP-Link RE505X into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait patiently for about 30 seconds until the power LED becomes solid, indicating that the extender has successfully powered on and is ready for setup. Next, grab your phone, tablet, or computer and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network called TP-Link Extender and connect to it. You won't need a password at this point. Next, head over to your router and locate the WPS button. Press and hold it for around 2 to 3 seconds. This activates WPS mode, which lets your TP-Link RE505X extender connect to the router automatically without needing a password. Within the next 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your TP-Link RE505X extender. You'll see the WPS LED start blinking, indicating it's trying to connect. When the LED turns solid, it means the extender has successfully connected to your router. Once connected, unplug the extender and relocate it to a spot roughly halfway between your main router and the area with poor Wi-Fi signal. Ensure the new location is still within your router's coverage range for the best possible performance. You're now ready to connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. The TP-Link RE505X typically uses your main network name with _ext added at the end, making it easy to identify and connect your smartphone, laptop, or other wireless devices. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert support team is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713, we're here for you. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up your TP-Link RE505X using the WPS method. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop any questions in the comments below.